This is a valve replacement repair video for the General Pump EV series. The recommended tools for this repair are an impact drill, a 10mm hex, a 3/8 inch ratchet, silicone lubricant, a pry bar, a slide hammer, a round head tool, and a torque wrench. Use an impact drill with a 10mm hex attached to remove the retaining bolts from the valve cover. Remove the valve cover. Use a round head tool to remove the seat O-ring. Inspect the valve cover O-rings and replace as warranted. Insert the slide hammer onto the valve cage assembly. When secure, tap upward to remove the valve cage assembly. Use the round head tool to remove the valve O-ring and the anti-extrusion ring. Use the pry bar to disassemble the valve cage assembly. Inspect all components and replace as warranted. Inspect the manifold for pitting, scoring, or erosion. Replace if warranted. Install the anti-extrusion ring and the valve O-ring. To reassemble, place the valve seat onto the valve, then the valve guide and the valve spring. Place the cage over the assembly and snap it into place. Apply lubricant to the valve cage assembly. Place the valve cage assembly onto the slide hammer and install it into the manifold. Install the valve cover O-ring. Replace the valve cover. Apply lubricant to the retaining bolts and tighten in the proper order using a 3/8 inch ratchet with a 10mm hex. Finally, using a torque wrench with a 10mm hex, tighten the bolts to the proper specifications.